How to upload photos in Drive and share the link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can upload photo into the Google Drive and share the link. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Drive in your device and make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account. Now, in order to upload a photo, head towards the top left and there is this new button or add new. You have to click on it. Now, in order to upload image, click on file upload. After that, you have to select the image that you would like to upload from your device. Once you have selected your image, click on open. Now you have to wait for a while until your image gets uploaded. Once the upload is complete, you can refresh your page. And there you go, this is the image that I have uploaded recently. So in order to share the link, click on this three dot next to it. Here click on share. Now again click on share. Now you can manage your general access. Click on this restricted drop down and here click on anyone with the link. So anyone, whoever have the link to this image will be able to access your image. Once done, click on copy link. Now you have copied the link to your image in the Drive and now you can share the link. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.